Updating your billing profile on Vimeo is essential for managing your subscription and payment information. Follow these steps to ensure your billing details are current. Step 1. Log into your Vimeo account. Visit the Vimeo website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account you want to update. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Access billing information. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Billing tab. This section contains all your current billing information and subscription details. Step 4. Update your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new billing information, make sure to click the Save button to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation that your billing profile has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily keep your Vimeo billing profile up to date. Regularly check your information to avoid any interruptions in service.